Hey there, it's Cheryl Dobash, and I'm so excited to share with you about Cheryl's Network Live. Yeah, I've just launched this most awesome show. It's actually a network TV show. A network TV show. And so what you're going to find on this show weekly, it's Fridays at noon Pacific for a full hour, and you're going to find tons of tips on commission-based type businesses, how to get unstuck, why should you have a coach, what does it mean to have a warm market, how can you market online, how can you actually get 10 plus leads a day in your inbox with social media. It's all going to be on this show live every week. Shows are recorded. If you'd like to be interviewed on the show, give me a call. It's an amazing tool for social media because social media is where it's at today. And if you have any kind of business, if you are in direct sales, a realtor, a financial planner, you are in network marketing, you need to be marketing online. And of course, you need to know the offline tricks and tips as well, and you'll hear them all there. So join me Fridays at 12 noon at WCOBM.com. WCOBM.com. And in the meantime, check out CherylDobash.com and get my 9 tips to social media marketing. Talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye-bye.